Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content, and if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing / unpackaging to share with you guys. Not sure what's in here, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for my Patreon right down in the description, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, this was sent by Tristan. So, let's go ahead and get in here and maybe we'll have some more information. What do we have here? Oh, good. We definitely do have a note. One sec. Well, here's the box. CRKT. Interesting. Okay, and there we go. Just happen to have a second one of these guys. Glad you can make use of it. It's never been used, taken apart, or carried. Feel free to do any of those things yourself. Keep up the hard work. We all appreciate it. Thanks again. And then he says, Tristan, hey, thank you so much. I appreciate that. What is this? Oh, yeah. So here's what's crazy. So I've never checked this thing out. The Pilar was one of the first videos that I did on this channel. Pilar, Pillar, whatever you want to say. First videos that I did was the smaller guy. This is the large one in, I believe D2. Does it say? I think it's in D2 and G10. I always thought, and it's a flipper. The one that I originally had was not. And a long time ago I told myself, yeah, I should check that out. And then I just didn't. For when did this come out? A year and a half ago at least? This is one of those knives that a lot of people really like. I've just never looked at it. So it was time. This is interesting. It's a little bit, first thing I noticed is a little sharp there on the inside of that, lock bar. But the flipping action's good, and this one definitely fits my hand better. I like the profile of the other one. It was just a teeny tiny bit small. I do like this guy though. This is interesting. I think you can still pick this knife up. I will link this guy right down in the description so that you can take a look at that if you'd like. I think there are quite a few variants of the Pilar / Pilar / whatever you want to call this, because I don't know the correct pronunciation. I think there are quite a few variants of it. Little bit of a double clutch here. Right there. Having to kick it down. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, I keep my thumb in this position to keep the blade from coming down on my finger, right? But as that flipper tab engages my thumb, I want the detent ball to be up on the face of the blade so that when I move my hands out of the way, it's got a smooth transition. As you can see here, it's trying to, the detent ball is trying to pass up on the blade. So there's a little bit of a double clutch there. Makes me think that maybe the flipper tab on this particular version might not be necessary. I don't know. I'm going to have to, kind of play around with this guy for a little bit. As per usual, this is not a review. This is first impressions. I've never handled this knife before. Once I've had a chance to sit around and kind of mess with it and, make some observations, things like that, you guys will get a full comprehensive review here in just a couple of weeks. But I'll tell you this, it definitely is ergonomic. It's a good blade profile, and I don't think these are very expensive. I think they're very inexpensive. I've seen all steel ones, G10 ones, different blade profiles. I'll link this now. I'll make a link so that you can see everything that's available for this model right now, at least through the retailers that I have affiliate links set up with, so you guys can check those out. You can easily do the reverse flick, absolutely. How about the standard? Yeah, you can do that too. All right, cool, interesting. Well, that'll be a fun one to take a look at. Tristan, thank you so much for sending this my way. I very much appreciate it. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.